Let's drink to detox. Here's the scene. It's the weekend. Around a kitchen table sit 5 longtime friends filled with stories of the past week, but more importantly, toxins and rising concerns for their health. What are they talking about? Detox, of course. How to rid themselves of toxins, amp up their immunity, and possibly shed a few pounds in the process. They each have their own detox drink to suggest and tell of its benefits, plus give a tip or two. We hope you want to hear all about them as much as we want to share them with you. Just before we do that, we want you to do this. We also want you to stick around to the end of the video for an exciting detox tip. So let's drink to detox. See what we did there? Now let's hear what Gina has to say. So first thing you need to know about detox, it's necessary. We come in contact with contaminants very often, and even though our bodies have its own detox system, we still need to offer as much support to maintain a healthy body. The detox drink I use is made with a glass of spring water plus a quarter of a watermelon diced with about 5 fresh mint leaves. Twist or crush the leaves to release more flavor or add a pinch of salt. Let it sit for about 2 hours, then enjoy. The watermelon helps to hydrate our bodies and is very low in calories. It fights free radical damage and inflammation while topping up our vitamin A and B, both of which contain anti-aging goodness. When it comes to antioxidants, mint has the highest levels of any food. It's also quite perfect for detox drinks as it revitalizes the senses while soothes any uneasy feeling. Just remember, a detox usually needs at least 7 consecutive days to truly start working. As for Carmen's detox drink, I don't do it often enough, but recently a co-worker told me that cinnamon powder works wonders. I've been drinking it in my water for a few weeks now, and I can feel the difference, mainly in my digestion. I use 8 ounces of room temperature water, juice of half of a lemon with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and add 2 or 3 apple slices. I stir it in nicely, then drink it immediately. My co-worker says the lemon contains ascorbic acid, which detoxifies our bodies. It works miracles for digestion and gives us glowing skin. Cinnamon is chock full of powerful antioxidants. It heals tissue damage and helps our bodies fend off infections. The apple cider vinegar cleanses our liver and lymphatic systems. It helps balance the body's pH and promotes cardiovascular stimulation. My tip though is to ensure you use a straw when drinking anything with apple cider vinegar, because constant exposure to it can gravely affect your teeth. Helen had this to share. My mom told me about that actually, but that was after I got hooked on my detox drink. It's simply a glass of water, 1 whole ginger sliced, and 4 fresh holy basil leaves with a tablespoon of honey. I let it sit overnight on my counter, then have it first thing in the morning. Holy basil contains many vitamins and minerals, as well as antioxidants like lutein and beta-carotene. It enhances metabolism and protects against tissue damage. Holy basil is very therapeutic as it lowers stress. The honey, which has been linked to heart and eye health, can lower cholesterol and blood pressure. It also has many antioxidants and helps prevent stroke. Ginger has powerful medicinal properties because it contains gingerol. It combats osteoporosis and weight gain and can treat chronic indigestion. blood sugar and risk of heart disease are drastically lowered with ginger. My tip is pound the ginger before you slice it. You get far more flavor and benefits, of course. Tamara was excited to share hers. I used to drop 4 slices of unpeeled cucumber in my water and call it a day. A month ago, I read that adding 2 stalks of lemongrass and 4 diced strawberries make for an awesome detox infusion, which was perfect because I already loved all 3. I also let my infusion sit overnight, but in the refrigerator. Strawberries help control our blood sugar and improve heart health. They are bursting with vitamins, very high levels of antioxidants known as polyphenols, and works wonders for your skin. They are cholesterol-free, sodium-free, and fat-free. Arguably, strawberries have more vitamin C than oranges. Just like mint, cucumbers are very rich with antioxidants. They are a great source of potassium, which lowers blood pressure. Cucumbers also have flavonoids that help fight cancer. Lemongrass has this fighting ability as well because it has citral. It speeds up metabolism and facilitates weight loss. Lemongrass also protects our stomach lining against damage and soothes a variety of digestive issues. And get this, as a tea, it's a natural remedy for menstrual cramp and bloating. Now Andrea had this to tell us about her detox drink. I recently got into detox. That happened when I realized I was one of the many people who didn't recognize the link between sluggish, bloated feelings and the excess toxin in our bodies. I put 3 pinches of cayenne pepper, my sister prefers 2, in a glass of water, then add the juice of 1 lime and a tablespoon of maple syrup. I drink it right after stirring it for about 5 minutes. Adding lime juice to detox drinks provide vitamin C and antioxidants. Its high concentration of vitamin C boosts white blood cell production and immune system function. Now, the cayenne pepper includes a variety of antioxidants that are beneficial to our health. Capsaicin is the active ingredient in cayenne peppers and gives it metabolism boosting properties. It helps increase the amount of heat our bodies produce, making us burn more calories per day. Maple syrup actually removes toxins from the body and improves our immune systems as well as overall vitality. It is also known to get rid of arthritis, fatigue, allergies, headaches, and other pains in our bodies. Sometimes I add 2 unpeeled lime slices for added zest because the peel has more vitamin C than the juice. Here's our final tip, sharers. Any detox infusion can be made better by swapping out water with natural coconut water. Coconut water has several nutrients, contains potassium and electrolytes, regulates blood pressure, and prevents kidney stones. For those of us who prefer detox smoothies, you could also use homemade coconut milk, which has similar benefits, and it prevents anemia and heart disease as well. Wow, sharers! Did you know any of that about detox drinks? Which one have you been drinking? Will you try all of them? Let us know in the comments. Hey sharers, we thank you for tuning into our channel. And once you've watched the video, we consider it shared. Please like our video and subscribe to our channel. And remember, life is better when we share.